fellas, and today we're playing Squarebird again because a school called Lewis, shout out to him, good friend, he said to play this again for this week's Futures Tuesday, and I missed it. Check out the Clash Royale video I did, and I'll explain it all there. Because I died in the same spot. Yeah. Okay. This game is violent. This bird got decapitated. Now I'm annoyed. No. Yay. Ooh, spikes. I have a fever. Move, I have a fever. Yay. Oh, choose 3 eggs. This has never happened. I'm going to go with my favourite colour, second favourite colour, third favourite colour. Woohoo! Money. Something everyone wishes for. This is probably only going to be like 5 minutes because I'll do like 7 minutes because there's really not much to do on here. It's pretty much just an excuse to chat. Boys. Oh no! I could have avoided that. Okay. I am good at this game. Am I? No. Am I saying that to make myself have courage? Yes. Boys. Let's see if I can buy anything with my money. Money. Oh yeah, we can't buy environments. Ooh, I want this. I want see-through bird. Cats are still in my room. Can I have see-through bird, please? Boys. Ooh, this bird is toppling. Oh. That failed. I don't really know what else to do on here because it's kind of just the same thing over and over. And eventually you kind of learn a pattern of it. And you end up getting fevers and perfects. Alright, I think I'm going to go for like 2 more minutes because this game is actually boring to play. But I'll do it for the fans. If the fans want to see it, the fans want to see it. I will do it. I will cross Boredom Lake for you guys. Why is it Boredom Lake? Because I named it that. Perfect. Perfecto. Not perfecto. Fever Perfecto. It was Fever Perfecto. How was that not perfect? Ooh. This bird. No! Thank you. Fever. Bing. Bing, 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 bow, 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 no, no. I think I'm gonna do this one, and then I'm gonna end it after this one because why not? Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video.